In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Workspace ID, also known as the Team or Organization ID, in Slack for Free, Pro, and Business Plus workspaces. Whether you're a Slack newbie or you've been navigating channels for a while, this simple guide will make this task a breeze. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to log into Slack using a web browser. While you might normally use the Slack desktop or mobile app, for this task, sticking to a web browser is key. So, open your favorite browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and log into your Slack account. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to your desired workspace. Now, here comes the important part. Take a close look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You should see a URL that looks something like this: https://app.slack.com client tx. It's within this address where we'll find the critical piece of information we're searching for, the Workspace ID. Let's break this down. The URL contains several parts, but the particular section we're interested in is the segment that begins with a T. Specifically, TXXXXXX. This part of the link is your unique Workspace ID. It's typically a series of letters and numbers, and it's what identifies your specific workspace within Slack's broader ecosystem. Why might you need this ID, you ask? Well, the Workspace ID is often required for various integration setups or when seeking support from Slack. It's a unique identifier for your workspace, ensuring that any support requests or integration commands you issue are directed to the right area. A small tip here. If you're planning to use or share this ID, make sure you copy it down accurately. To do this, simply highlight the entire TXXXXX string in the URL. Right-click to bring up your options and choose Copy. You can then paste it wherever you need. And there you have it, a straightforward way to find your Workspace ID within Slack. It's a simple process, but knowing exactly where to look and how to extract this identifier can save you a lot of time and hassle down the road, especially if you need to set up integrations or contact support. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in locating your Slack Workspace ID. If you found this video useful, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy slacking.